Hey guys, Albe here! Stay tuned until the end of the video if you want to find out how you can win those beautiful red Rizoma grips. But I have a ton of things to talk about because it's the end of the month and outside is a beautiful day, and when outside is a beautiful day there is only one thing to do: hop on the Aprilia and go for a ride. Today I'm gonna do the check-in while taking you guys through Norco. Norco is a town here in Southern California, and as you guys can see over there on that sign, it says "Welcome, Horsetown, USA." So Norco is very particular. It's the town has a horse sidewalk. So most of the sidewalks, just like the one you guys are seeing right here on my right hand side, yeah, here they are, they're covered in sand for horses. This is very peculiar, at least to me, coming from Italy. I'm not used to see a town that actually actively puts sand on their sidewalks. But we're here because I want to let you know that I'm going to Italy, and June pretty much is gonna be a month dedicated to the 959 Panigale Corsa. I had a 959 right into my garage for a bunch of upgrades. So I have a few videos that are gonna come out in June about that 959. If while I'm in Italy I'm able to upload, I'm gonna give you guys an update on what's going on. And on the same note, if any of my subscribers are in Italy as well, in the vicinity of Rome, just shoot me a message down below, and maybe we can get together and grab a coffee. I don't know if you guys remember, 2 years ago when I went to Italy, I was able to get a Tiger 800 and do a review. If I'm able to get another motorcycle this time around, the audio will be way better because I figured a few things out in those past 2 years. So stay tuned for that, probably coming out in July. But coming back to the city of Norco, as you guys can see, there are really sidewalks made just for horses, and that's kind of cool that the center stripe on the road is red, white, and blue. The traffic lights as well here in Norco, they have cross buttons for pedestrians and also for horse riders. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so different. Other than that, it's a small town, very focused. As you guys can see, Socal equine. How you guys pronounce that? A hospital over there, but. So it's very focused on horses and everything that entails. Most of the shops actually have a place where you can tie your horse up. But anyway, going back to the channel. So other than the fact you guys gonna get a bunch of Panigale videos, you also gonna get in July a bunch of reviews, because I already made contacts with a few people for a few motorcycle MV Augustas and a Ducati Panigale V4 and so on. So expect that. I've been trying to get a hold of that F850 GS now for a few months, and every time I schedule a pickup for the bike, something happens. Weather or maintenance or whatnot. So finger crossed, we're gonna make it happen in July. Look at down there, horses crossing the street. This is a very, very alien sight for anybody that doesn't live here. But over here is very common. For my more seasoned viewers of a certain age that know who the Eagles are and what Hotel California is, Norco is the home of the original Hotel California, which was I think it was a hotel, and then it became a prison, and then it became a Navy base, or something like that. It's on the cover of the Hotel California album. There it is, over there. If you guys own that Eagle album, you can see that's the actual cover. You know, the beauty of the TUONO is you don't always have to go full blast. You can take it easy. The riding position is very comfortable. You know, you sit back up a little bit and just cruise around with the handlebars and the position. It's not bad at all. I like quite a bit. And I enjoy a nice cruise here and there, especially when the weather is so good. Sunny, shiny, and nice temperatures. One thing I have to say about Norco is beautiful and picturesque as it is, there is a very distinct smell of horse I guess better than bulls. But let me tell you how you can win those Sport Grip Lux from Rizoma. Now the serial number for the grips and all the info are gonna be in the description, so go check them out. So what you need to do, it's easy and it's free. Throughout the course of summer, ask your motorcyclist friends to go to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and post a comment on this video with your YouTube handle. And easy as that, the guy that has the most mentions in the comments of this video is gonna get the grips. And that's it. The winner will be announced at the last Friday of August, where I usually do my check-in video. Is gonna be the video for the announcement of who the winner is. And I'm gonna try to get in touch with him and get an address to ship it to him. So this is as easy as it gets. It's free, and you have to do nothing but tell your friends to join this fantastic motorcycle channel. It's a win for everybody. You win grips, your friends get to watch me. I guess that's a win. Maybe, maybe not. But anyway, it's still free. So, and that's it. Now this video is sponsored and brought to you by Robbie Roma, which is the owner of that beautiful 2019 Panigale 959 Corse that is in my garage, and that you guys gonna see all sorts of parts installed on. Thanks, Robbie, for sponsoring this video and making somebody else very, very happy to have those fantastic grips. But as always, if you like the video, like. If you love the video, obviously subscribe. Ride on, and I'll see you next time.